Alright, in this video we'll see how to convert interest rates, specifically how to convert nominal interest rates into effective ones. Alright, so first let's see what are the differences between nominal and effective rate. Now, nominal rate is the one that doesn't take into account the effect of compounding, but the effective rate does. Let's say there is a bank that offers a certificate which offers 12% APR, that is 12% interest rate annually. Now this interest rate is the nominal one, but this 12% interest rate will be compounded monthly. So if you are asked to calculate the effective annual interest rate, how would you do that using the calculator? Now before we go to the calculator, let's say you invested $100 here. Then on that $100 you'll receive $12 interest after 1 year. So after 1 year you'll receive $12 interest, and you'll also get your principal back. So you'll get $100 back, and in total you'll get $112. That's what your APR or the nominal interest rate says, but it should be compounded monthly, right? With monthly compounding you will actually receive some money just after 1 month. Now this some amount of money will be 12% annually, so 12% divided by 12, that is 1% monthly. So what will happen, you will receive $1 just after 1 month out of this for this $100. So you'll receive $1 here, then again you'll receive another $1 after 1 more month. That's how monthly compounding works. So you'll receive $1 for all these 12 months, right? Now at the end you'll again receive the $100, but you'll receive more than just $12 now, because you will actually invest this money again for like 11 months, then this $1 for 10 months, and so on. So that's what effective interest rate does. It gives you the actual return with the effects of compounding. Alright, now to convert this, you'll use the interest rate conversion function in your calculator. In the menu you'll see like 3 options, like you can set the nominal interest rate, and you can set the compounding per year, and then you can calculate the effective rate. You can also set the effective interest rate and tell your calculator what is the compounding per year, and then get the nominal interest rate. Alright, let's see how to do it. Alright, let's go to the calculator and press this button, then press this button to access the interest rate conversion menu. And here this should be changed to 12. Oh, there is an error here, it should be 12%, so 12. So put 12 here. This is our nominal interest rate. Then don't do anything here, just scroll down again, and compounding per year is also 12, so put 12 here. Then press this button to go up, and then press compute, and it will compute the effective interest rate. So that is 12.7%. Alright, that was all for this video. In the next video we'll see how to do break-even point calculation. So see you in the next one.